Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss in a white sands. This one is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior cloth seats with plenty of legroom and space with your power seat controls here at the bottom left. Of course, up top you have your steering wheel with your cruise control and forward collision alert. Inside you'll find your infotainment system with built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, climate controls, you get a USB-C and USB charge port, an AC outlet, trailer brake controls, and a push-to-start ignition. You also have two cup holders, additional storage here inside the middle console, as well as this also can be turned into a third seat when needed, and it has additional storage underneath. Looking at the driver's side door, you'll find your automatic power windows to go alongside your adjustable side mirror controls. By your handle, you have your power locks, and over here you'll find your automatic drive modes and automatic high beam controls. You also have your automatic park brake, and if we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. Inside you have your jet black interior cloth seats, plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. You have your USB-C and USB charge port down below with your two vents, and behind each front seat there's cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, underneath the seats you can also lift them up to have more space for anything you might need. Checking out the exterior here on our Trail Boss, we have our black Delt grille with our Chevrolet writing in the middle, black accent toques along the bottom. You get these LED headlights along the side. Down low we have Goodyear Wrangler tires, Z71 badging along the side, black Delt accent side mirrors with black accent handles, as well as black tint in the rear window. Making our way to the side, you'll find your Trail Boss deckling along the side of your bed, corner assist steps on each side, custom badging on the right, dual exhaust down below, and opening up the lift gate here, you'll see it'll lead you to your spray-on bedliner, and of course you have your 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss in a white sands. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.